This is just a short video that shows how to use the Core Easy drilling system. The first step is to install a wedge anchor, at least 5 inches long and 3/8 inch diameter, in the middle of where the hole is to be drilled. Thread the guidepost onto the anchor. To aid in setting the anchor securely, push down on the guidepost. This tends to pull the anchor out of the wall, setting it in the process. Do this a couple of times and then finally tighten the anchor with the wrench supplied. Assemble the core drill bit complete with water lubricated bearing and hex drive attached to the back of the core bit. Assemble the grinder motor to the Core Easy gearbox and slide onto the core bit. Depress the locking pin to secure the system together. Assemble the water feed tube to the back of the gearbox. Turn on the water supply. We are now ready to drill. Begin drilling by switching on the drill motor and rotating the feed handle clockwise. Make sure to hold the grinder handle firmly. The operator is protected by a clutch, and it is helpful to get a feeling for this clutch by simply advancing the feed handle and stalling the system momentarily. This gives the operator an opportunity to feel where the clutch will engage. Continue to drill until the hole is complete. When the hole is complete, the operator will feel a relaxation in weight. Turn the power off once the hole is completed. Eject the concrete core from inside the bit by reversing the feed. Pull the rig and the core out of the hole until only the bit remains. Now dismantle the Core Easy. The operator will be left with the core in the new hole and the guidepost attached to the core. Apply weight to the guidepost. This will loosen the anchor. The operator will now be able to loosen the guidepost by hand.